Hey guys, this is your friend Cheat, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate CourseFunnels to you. This is a breakthrough course platform, the likes of which you've never seen before, because this is the only course platform, the only trainings platform that combines the entire business in a box. Let's quickly talk about what are the things we need to create a successful course and sell it. So the first thing we need, of course, is the course creation platform where you can create the course, you can create the chapters, you can create your videos, you can upload everything and present online that consumers, that your students can consume. Then that's not the end of the story. You will also need a way to sell the course. So you need a sales platform. And typically, if you are going for a classic course platform, you're going to have to buy a third party sales platform. You can buy something like ClickFunnels, or you were maybe using a special landing page builder, whatever. Then you need to find a way to communicate with your students, to talk to them, to sell to them repeatedly, and to also keep an eye on your sales. And to do that, you would need to integrate a third platform, which is the sales platform, which is the membership. Often they call it the membership, or you can call it the autoresponder. Sometimes you will need to integrate with a third party autoresponder to send out. Sometimes you will need to integrate with a third party autoresponder to send out your emails. So basically, to run a successful online training business, you would need to buy 4 to 5 different products, which would easily set you back anything from $500 to $1,000 a month minimum before you even get started. So when I saw this happening, I thought about how I can improve things, and I then conceptualized CourseFunnels, which integrates everything together in one awesome piece of software. So this is CourseFunnels, and it is the most powerful course building system out there that integrates everything, that integrates the sales system, that integrates the membership system, and that lets you do email marketing too, all built right in one piece of software. So let's get started and see how this works. So the first thing, CourseFunnels is truly an international piece of software. With it, you can sell your courses in any language you want. You can operate it in any language you want. In fact, CourseFunnels supports 17 languages. So here is a complete list. To find the list, just click on select languages and you can find a complete list over here. These are all the languages that CourseFunnels supports, and there are 7 languages in all. For example, if I click on Hindi, my CourseFunnels is now in Hindi, and I can do all my work in Hindi. So if you are going to use your CourseFunnels, you want to use it in a local language, or you want to cater to a local language audience, maybe you are in Europe or in Asia somewhere, you can use CourseFunnels in your own language. It's very easy. Then I want to quickly demonstrate to you or quickly show you some of the features inside of CourseFunnels. Next, we have the integrations. It's something that everybody needs. Whenever you have a sales platform, whenever you have a system, you always need data to either come in or go out. And CourseFunnels supports that both ways. Firstly, we have the Zapier integration. If you want to use CourseFunnels with some third-party CRM, you can use that. I've got a detailed Zapier video in another video, so you can refer to that if you want to look at how exactly Zapier is integrated. But it's got Zapier integration, and it has integration for all your favorite autoresponders. So if you want to use a third-party autoresponder with CourseFunnels, you can do that. We've got all these autoresponders in here. These are all the prominent names. So you will be able to take your data, take your leads into the autoresponder you want, and send out your mails the way you want, exactly the way you want them to be. Then we've got other integrations, things that you can put inside CourseFunnels like live chat, Facebook Messenger, you can put in Skype, you can put in Google Analytics, you can put in Facebook Pixel, and in fact, it supports every kind of custom integration through JavaScript. So just click on add new integration and you can give it your own name and put the integration over here, and you can choose whether you want it to be in the footer or the header. And if you don't know which, choose any, it doesn't matter. Then CourseFunnels has a very rich system to report sales to you. See, you got your orders coming in from the landing pages, and I'm going to show you exactly how the landing pages work in a moment. But once you have got sales coming in, you will want to review the sales. You will want to see who's buying from you. and who and what are they buying. So CourseFunnels has a complete analytical system. It lets you search for anything with a name or email. So let's say you have a name that starts with JE maybe. We can find all the people who start with J. So if you got Jenny, John over here, and there are other people too. So you can search for anyone by name, by email. You can search for them by their payment ID, quickly find their orders. You can see if the order is delivered or not. You can see if they are using the course or not. And if you want to cancel their access, you can do that. If you want to copy the link to the order, maybe you want to give it to your staff, you can do that too. You can view the order itself. So all of that is built right inside. You can get quite easy summaries that will tell you exactly how your courses are doing and who's buying your courses. And again, we have a huge number of payment integrations inside of CourseFunnels. So click on payment methods and you will see the integrations that you already have. And to integrate it with another payment systems, click on create new, and you will find integrations with all the prime payment gateways, the credit card gateways, and even the affiliate card systems. So we've got PayPal, we've got Stripe, we've got multiple payment processing gateways from multiple countries, and we've got affiliate platforms like JVZoo, like Warrior Plus, PayKickstart, ClickBank, built right inside. So you can use a third-party cart like Thrivecart. So basically, there is no limitation. CourseFunnels has a lot of integrations already, and every month we are adding fresh integrations. So if there is something that you want to use, even if it's an esoteric system, it's likely that it will be in CourseFunnels sooner than longer. Then I want you to look at the communication system. So CourseFunnels is designed to help you engage your students at every level. You can have them comment on your courses, on your lessons, and you can respond to those comments. You can see who commented and you can give an answer to them. You can see the reviews. You can create a review system that people can leave reviews on your courses. It's very easy. You can view the reviews. You can even delete the reviews if somebody is leaving a nasty review. You don't want the review to be public, you can delete the review. It's very easy. You can create assignments, and this is something really unique. Let's say you've got a course system and you want to actually reach out to people one-on-one. You want to talk to them and you want to charge them more money. Maybe you have a mid to high level coaching program. Then you will want to start off something like an assignment where you tell people exactly what they need to do and maybe some work, some homework or whatever. And then you need them to be able to submit the assignment to you. And CourseFunnels supports that. It also supports tests. So you can create tests that people can take at any time and they can instantly see their score. They can see how they did. It's got quizzes. Now quizzes are more like, some question answer session, multiple choice questions. People can see the question, they can choose the answer, and they will see the score right away. So this is a good way to give people the capability to test what they learned right after a chapter ends. So CourseFunnels is actually designed for educators, and it's designed to help you create a course that actually sells and makes you money long term. It's got notes too. Notes is, your students have the capability to write a note below every lesson. They can write a note highlighting something that they've learned and keep that note as something that they can refer back to. And you have the capability to view every note. And if you want to delete something, you can do that too. So this is going to be a pretty detailed demo. I will try to show you all the highlights of CourseFunnels. And since we have a lot of amazing features, that could take some time. But you got to pay attention, because if you want to win at trainings, if you want to win at courses, you want to make the least expense possible, and you want to make sure that the courses you put out, they actually sell, this is the product for you. So here's going to the settings menu. Inside of settings, you will find a lot of powerful settings that you can set up to make your courses better. Like we've got a URL, you can install CourseFunnels to any URL, you can put it on the main website. But if your main website has multiple courses, you want to make multiple courses on one website, CourseFunnels fully supports that. You can install CourseFunnels in a folder, and you can have multiple folders for all of your courses. So this is something that many people don't give you. Actually, nearly none of them give you. They ask you to host one course per website, but in CourseFunnels, you can host multiple courses on one website, and you can have HTTPS. It's just a part of security system. You can have routing to HTTPS, And if you want to disable page preview to make it even faster, you can do that. It's got SMTP and it's got even spinning. So if you want to write individualized emails to everyone, you can use content spinning. CourseFunnels supports content spinning in email. So every email that you sent out will be 100% unique. You can disable reviews or likes or dislikes. You can disable comments, or if you want to have approval on comments, you can do that. And you can decide whether you want to send out an email to yourself or